What's the difference between the 4.8 and 5.3 GM engines? You see, they're not so different after all, sharing the same block. A fact that's etched right on the block itself, showing 4.8-5.3. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, both engines feature identical bore dimensions, but here's the twist. The 4.8-liter has a smaller stroke. However, the real beauty of these engines lies in their compatibility. Yes, they can be built using the same parts. And for the horsepower enthusiasts, here's a tidbit. When boosted with turbos, these sturdy engines can go up to a whopping 700 horsepower on stock internals. With built internals and supporting mods, these marvels can handle over 1,200 horsepower. Quite a feat, wouldn't you agree? Designed with thick cylinder walls, which allows the head gasket to seal much better as well. The first part to give out is the connecting rod. Surprising, isn't it? For the price you pay on these engines, no wonder these are great for budget builds. Until next time, follow us for more Gearhead content.